So here is the final product of my water bottle cap and ring thing. Um, Even though it looks a bit simplistic as a design, a lot more went into this than I originally anticipated. Uh, Regularly, just the circle on the bottom, the cylinder has a hole in it. That's pretty straightforward. But this connector right here took quite a bit of time. This round part, I used the round roof for and cut a big hole, like a half moon hole out of it, just to leave the edge of it, which worked pretty well. But I also had to extend out towards the middle of the cap and put a ring in the end of it. Um, I also created the cap, obviously. I had to hollow that out, which is pretty straightforward. But the end, I put a cylinder through the bottom of the cap and connected a button on the top so it would be able to move freely, kind of like this would if it wasn't, well, it's not broken, but um, how it could spin like this. I thought that would be pretty interesting to do on there, so I'm glad that worked out.